Hi everybody. Today we're a day after the closing because we had technical difficulties with our camera yesterday, but we're back and our gracious homeowner has allowed us to show you this magnificent home, and we got a chance to do even more things to make the house ready for him to move in. So today you have the shed up, unlike yesterday, and we have the second Anderson door up. In Edison Mobile Estates, we give everybody the choice of sod or the
Delaware River stone.
Thank you. And everybody gets a little patio. You can put your grill here. Everybody's excited about that. They can't believe it. So the beauty of our land lease community is you are like kind of an apartment, but you own it, and you get to do fun things like have your grill and your lounge chairs out here and some chance to enjoy the outdoors. And you'll also be able to put a retractable awning. So let's go inside and check out this house. I'm really sad to tell you, you're gonna be really sad and a little jealous, but this house is already sold. Sorry. Come on in. It's toasty warm in here. We have the furnace on, so that sound you hear is the furnace. Let me go turn it off so you can hear me better. In the meantime, you take a look at this gorgeous kitchen. I don't know how to turn this off. Oh, here you go. Oh, my little bulb is off. What happened? What happened? Why is this not working? I don't want this in the film.
There it goes.
Oh,
there.
Yay! So, this stunning kitchen was designed by the homeowner, and he picked the stainless steel appliances, and he picked this beautiful Tuscany all-wood cabinetry. You get a choice of 5 different cabinetries, and we're offering that service now for $1,000 a person because it takes so much work on our part. But then you get the beauty of choosing your own things. Otherwise, we pick it. And he has set this up with the pendant lights because he's got his own island. And he picked out the counters. And again, he picked out these beautiful stainless steel appliances, and it came with a whole package. So it's the refrigerator, the dishwasher, this stunning farm sink, and this little spout is fun. You can spray and use your spout to fill up your sink. I love that. And over here you have your look-alike Viking stove range, and then this awesome microwave. All the appliances come direct from the builder, and they're Whirlpool appliances, and they all have their own little warranty booklet.
So what about that backsplash?
Well, that was a big pick that he got to do, and this backsplash is the new Redmond Champion Home choice that's called Chicago something. What's the rest of it?
Southside Chicago tile.
So we got a couple of places where you see the little stamp of Chicago here, and it's a multicolored variation. And over here we've got 2 more little Chicago stamps. I love that. And another one here. It's kind of like the rough and tumble look, and it's very appealing. And not only that, but the color variation gives you, look at how everything flows together. So this is truly a chef's kitchen. So this homeowner picked cabinetry to go all the way to the ceiling, and again, some of these prices will increase your purchase of the home. So I'm guessing that this total price might be in the 90,000. So let's go into telling you about the doors. This is a fiberglass door, and you can pick a cottage 9 light or this beautiful sunburst. And again, we always install the Anderson storm doors to make it more beautiful. But if I close this, it's so quiet. Basically, you're buying a modular home. This is a manufactured home, but it's more like a modular than it is the trailers and mobile homes of bygone era. So you've got your central air conditioning and your hot air furnace that runs through this thermostat. And this is the laundry area, and you can provide your own washer and dryer. And this again goes all the way to the ceiling. So that's pretty cool. So let's take a look in the bathroom. I'm gonna let you go in and take a look because there's only room for one of us. And this bathtub, instead of a shower stall, was a perfect fit for a fiberglass all-one unit. It's really easy to clean. And above the bathtub, we did the transom window that gives you some light, but yet privacy. So this, we did a framed out glass mirror, and again, higher so that it's easier on your back. The pretty lights were installed. Now we'll go into the master bedroom. All the options gave him a chance to put in fans in almost all the rooms. You got the double pane windows here, thermopane windows, and that was a great design benefit because one of the windows normally goes on that side. And that's the beauty of working with the manufactured home facility. So here is the hot water heater. It's a 40-gallon. It was upgraded, and it's a great little addition to be able to make it into a door rather than hidden in the closet. And pretty much you don't really need to bother with it again, and you could put a piece of furniture in front of it. So we also had these 2-panel doors chosen. They're very elegant. And the white trim package. These are bypass doors. That's also a really great option to add. Makes more room in your house, in your bedroom, so you don't have to like open the doors into your space. So this is a very fun house to show because there's so much beauty here. One of the things I mentioned before was every year the manufacturing companies come up with new samples, and this floor is one of them. So this is really just exciting to show. Let's go back to the other side of the house. Typically we have the houses with the bedrooms separated if there's a 2-bedroom, so that way it gives you privacy. So here's the furnace. Everything runs through here. Really easy to maintain. And this is the other bedroom. This bedroom has, again, the fan and the one window and the bypass doors. And in here we hide your screens for the fall, for the spring. So let's go back into the kitchen and we'll tell you a little bit more. Come on through. Oh, I just want you to see this kitchen. Just take a moment from there and pause and look. This is just so glorious. I'm really proud of this house, and it was really fun working with this homeowner. We tucked in a little hall closet for your coats and or pantry. You can make this into anything you want. So the manufacturers make it fun to work with them because they give us options that are really unique to this housing industry. So already this house is being duplicated in another location. So people on YouTube are watching this and loving this combination and building it in one of our other communities. This is a real proud moment. This is probably one of the highlights of our homes. In the past, we've done white cabinets, and we've done this Tuscan cabinet, and it's incredibly appealing, very rich looking. The white is very bright and very summery, but we've got the gray option this year. So we have yet to have one of the houses come in. You stay tuned, and we'll be having you walk through one of those with us soon.
In 2 weeks, we're going to have another 2 models coming in.
Very exciting.
And both of those models have the new gray wolf cabinetry.
Timberwolf.
Timberwolf. But it's gray.
Yep. So that's kind of deceiving, that little name, but we like to call it just plain brown, gray, white. But the manufacturers like to give it a name. So it's been a pleasure showing you. We're so excited to have you join us yet again for our excellent adventures here at Edison Mobile Estates and the rest of our communities. We'd love to work with you and help you achieve the American dream of home ownership. Again, it's a manufactured home in a land lease community for all those people needing to finance. That's what you're going to look for when you're working with a loan provider. And we pretty much own the land and you own the house, so you got to ask for permission on anything on the outside. So basically you're buying 3 things when you meet with us. You're buying the house, the financing, and a relationship with us as landlords. So we meet everyone in person and we screen everybody before we meet with them, so we make sure that you can afford it and we use our time wisely with you. Thank you so much for stopping in. Give me an email at info@dolanhomes.com or give us a call at 732-287-1839. Thanks so much.